Happy Tech Tuning in 21. I'm Chris Bettis from Fluent Mortgage, Tech Fluently. All right, we're gonna bring 5 tips, tricks, and shortcuts to LendingPad. Nothing mind-blowing, but they're things you may not know about that'll save you 5, 10, 15 minutes, an hour a day, right? So that means more loans, more cash, or it means more freedom, more time away from your job doing the things you love. Your choice, not sure where you are in your business. All right, so first off, let's open up. So we'll go 5th try. So 5th try, let's add a phone number really quick so I can show you the second component to it. All right, so we'll put mine in there. Cool. So 5th try, just so you know, there's obviously an email right here, right? A lot of people copy paste that. In case you weren't aware, just click on it, literally email out of it. And so this is critical. This takes it straight to my Outlook. That's what I use for my mail server, but it wasn't doing it first. And I thought something was wrong with LendingPad. Nope, it was my settings on my Mac. So for me, literally all you gotta do, mail, pull it over, because the settings were wrong. So my preferences were going to my mail, not to my Outlook. So make sure Outlook's in there, probably. Make sure it's enabled, probably. And make sure it's the default. Boom, done. Literally, the second you do that, anything that's gonna happen through LendingPad is gonna automatically route to Outlook. There you go. Also, you ever notice there's phone numbers here? Check this out. If you actually hit the phone number, Mac-based, of course, it's gonna throw it to your iPhone. And for me, I just carry my iPods, have them in my ears, click here, boom, boom, boom. I make my phone calls directly out of here. I'm not going and typing phone numbers like, let's go. Who has time for that, right? I gotta close more business. I wanna be home early tonight. All right, beyond that, let's kind of talk about, so cancel real fast, different browsers. So if it's PC-based, use your Chrome, no big deal. It can be there for an hour, drag and drop works. But for those of you who are migrating to Apple, right? Just the ecosystem, it's better for life, it's more efficient. As a team, we just airdrop and it's just a better system for us, personally. Google Chrome, you can't drag and drop. It's a little weird. So the workaround is you just go Safari. So Safari, as you know, add new documents, and then you'll be able to drag and drop, and there's your document. The bad about Safari though, Apple's so protective of your security. Not that that's a bad thing, but literally, even if you have your settings to an hour, it times out like every 5 minutes. So you're just gonna have to be constantly logging back in. But hey, just know the downside, like according to the FTC and the DOJ, Google and Facebook are the 2 dirtiest players in the nation in terms of actively selling information, giving it out. So just, it's one of those, right? Not timing out for an hour, efficiency, a little less secure for your clients and your people and your business. Or we go Safari, which is super protective privacy, but you're gonna be logged out all the time. All right, one thing, in case you're like, I get logged out no matter what. Settings, users, whoever it is, and then make sure your session timeout is set to 60 minutes or whatever you want for your timing, but this is how you can increase the time. And also then for any of the people on your team, within your company, make sure you adjust all your settings. From the dashboard, we want that search function, right? So for your borrower, for your client, for the next file you're gonna work, don't make me go to the pipeline. Don't make it time out like this. Don't make me search in 3 different places. They've heard, they're doing it. But why did we move away from brand X? Why did we move away from that dinosaur? Why did we move from that non-functioning OG software? It's because LendingPad is the future. Not only is it the best system today, but they're looking to tomorrow. Open API, cookies-based, web-based. So as an example, did you notice that? If you've opened up a file, since the last time you've cleared your cookies, your cache, it's gonna see it. So literally, we were just working 5th try, now we're looking at 6th try. So what my processor does is like, I don't even go into the search. I don't even go into the pipeline. I'm working 6 files today. I open up literally 6 different pages, just type their names, throw them up there. And so talk about efficiency, as I drag and drop something in here and have to wait a few seconds, right? Because it takes time to upload it to the server. He's bouncing the next one and then, or an escrow, right? And then he's back here in that one, and then he's dropping the lender's thing, and then he's notating and coming back while it's uploading the lender's portal, and then he's bouncing in here. So, I mean, thank you, LendingPad, for being so smart. the system for today and the system for tomorrow. So that's what I got for you today. Hope it blesses you. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, but most of all, tune your tech in 21. Chris Bettis, Fluent Mortgage.